everyone, welcome to Classic and Clear. Today we are going to see the basic formula max and minimum. So when there is a students, for example, students and mark sheet as given, and we have to find out who is the maximum marks taken and who is minimum marks taken. So in this case, what we'll do for the maximum, we type equal and max and double click and select the table and enter. So this is the maximum mass James has taken, and who is the minimum mass taken. For that we select min and select and enter. So Sarah is taken as minimum marks. So thank you very much for the to come to see the video, and we will meet soon in the next video.